Today is kind of the same as yesterday, but we have our general form. You got to write it down. We want to convert it to the Vertex-Graphing form. Once we convert it, we define all of these things. Vertex, axis of symmetry, cavity, different lines, maximum values, domain range, and the graph. So, this is what today's going to look like. We're going to have an equation in standard form. You want to turn it into the Vertex-Graphing form that we've been dealing with. We can do all that fun stuff. So, in order to do that, we need to complete the square out. So we want to get ax squared plus bx by itself. Here, that's our squared plus x. So do that. Yeah, 7 both sides. And we're going to get something that looks like this. 7 both sides. X squared plus 6x by itself. Do that thing where we take this number here, take half of it, square it, add to both sides. With that. Now I can take 6, take half of it, 3, square it, 9, add that to both sides. Okay, so we just add our 7 and our 9 over here. And then that polynomial over there. We need to factor it. So, yeah, x plus 3 squared. We take our x, take our sign from here, then we take the square root of that, and we do it, plus 3 squared. And then all we have to do is move that 16 out of the way so it's y equals. Yeah, our vertex is always P and Q. We always take the opposite for a sign of P. There's positive 3 up there. What about our axis of symmetry? Yeah, so it's going to be x equals p. If x equals negative 3. It is positive, concave up. You guys are talking inwards. Okay, I gotta let y equal 0. We're gonna have this. That. So I want to solve for x. I'm gonna add 16 to both sides. Get the x plus 3 squared by itself. So I take the square root of it. 4. So square root both things now. Square root of 16 plus minus 4. Yeah, but x plus 4. And x plus 3 equals negative. If I want to find the y-intercept of that x equals 0. I'm going to get something that looks like this. What's 3 squared? What's 9 minus 16? Negative 7. My y-intercept, negative 7. There's only 2 things we need to know. So if we have a concave up, or if it opens up, it means we have a parabola that looks like this. And down here at our vertex, PQ. I mean, the parabola is never going to go any lower than this point Q. Right? It's going to go down to Q, go back up. That means the minimum value of our parabola is at Q. Same thing if the curve opens down. We have a sad parabola. EQ. The parabola's going to go up to Q and go right back down. So it never goes any higher. So, for our parabola that we're working with here, the maximum? No. Why is it minimum? Ours opens up, so we have a minimum at what? Which is negative. Right, minimum at, maximum at. Opens up, our range is going to be y is greater or equal to q. Goes down, y less than or equal to q. So, what do we have here? And what's our q? Negative 16. That's how it's for range. A equals that. Take half, but now we can take half of that b value, square it out to both sides. So it's half of negative 2. We add 1 to both sides. What's 5 over 3 plus 1? Like 1 over 1. And the common denominator is 3 over 3. 3, 5 plus 3. 8. And when we factor the take our x, take our sign, that's in front of here, minus, and then we take half of that. That's it. That's because we factored this whole thing. This whole thing is what we factored. Oh, yeah. Because that's all this is. X minus 1 times x minus 1. Which we wrote it. So now we move that 8 over 3 over to the other side. We're going to get y by itself. Yeah, we times everything by 3. And then what are we left with? 1 equals 3 bracket x minus 1 negative minus. Is concave up? Sure. Axis of symmetry. 1. What about our intercept? Like our x-intercept? Y equals 0. How do you figure that out? Both sides. Right, it's going to get x minus 1. On the left, I'm going to up here. Oh, we're not going to want a root. Today we're actually going to want that. 1.6? I still gotta remember our plus minus. We don't want to have root stuff. There's silly graph. We're going to have our two equations. X minus 1 equals 1.6. And x minus 1 equals negative 1.6. And what do I get for my x intercept? What our y intercept? What do I do for this? What's negative 1 squared? 3 times 1? Minus 8. Times 5. Times our y intercept. Right. What about our range? This is all the concave out the concave down.
So the y is greater or equal to
And the vector goal. I'm throwing the number up. 18. What about max and min? The concave up or down? Up. Minimum at where? What's our Q? Oh my God. So much.